Okay, here we have the West Paris Library. Isn't this beautiful? Better known by the townsfolk as the Stone Castle. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, I think it's just beautiful. Now, boy, they'd probably like to have this in the movies. Look at the way the door is, the design. The door just comes right up into a peak. Isn't that beautiful? What a beautiful door. And see how the little pieces of glass is 3. And on the top, of course, looks like a castle. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? What a beautiful library. Some of the olden day stuff, but they've preserved it and kept it looking nice. It's all just made out of stone. Take you off to the side here. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? They've added an extra piece, but this is the original. To see the very top? Oh, yeah. Yeah. All the designs of all of that. I can zoom right into there to show. Yeah. That's why it's a little stone castle or library right in town.
The amazing thing is that used to be the library, and look at, they've got this. Come around. Don't try to film. This used to be all there was.
There you go. And this is all of it.